G'day everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now you've probably all seen, heard and hopefully used the sharing and co-authoring capabilities for files out of SharePoint and OneDrive for Business. But now you're going to be able to do that with SharePoint pages as well. So bringing that co-creation experience not just to files but also to SharePoint pages as well. That's what we're going to take a deep dive into in this video. So we can see here that I'm logged in as myself onto a communication site. So what we're just going to do here is create a brand new page. So we'll create a visual page for us and we'll just use one of these templates. First thing we'll do is give this a title. So let's go product launch for the name of the page. And then we've got our placeholder images and text. Now what we can see in the top right hand corner is our share button. So we can either share the page, we can copy a link to the page, or we can send it to email, which gives us a summary and a link for the site members. But what we're going to do is we're going to share this page with another co-creator. So I'll hit share. We're presented with our familiar sharing dialog box here. And what I will do is share this with another user, myself, different account, and we have the same types of settings. So we can see here can edit and can make changes, and this should be all familiar to us. So I'm just going to hit send, and now I've invited another person in to co-create on this particular page. So let's just log in to that user as well, and I can just hear the bing of the email invitation. I'll just drag this across. Again, we've got the same type and the similar invitation email. I can click open and that will open that SharePoint page in edit mode for that user. So I'll just drag this across. Here is the user that I have shared this with, and I can click the edit button, and now I am in edit mode in this secondary user. So I can see here that I've got another person that is editing this page, is editing the title area, and you can see here that I've got this user in the web part on this page. What we'll do now is we'll split the screen so we can take a look at what that experience is like. All right, so we've got our screen split. We've got Daniel with the green profile, and we've got Daniel with the other profile colors on the right hand side here. So what we can see is we've got our little markers, and I can see the where each person is. Now what about if we add a web part? So let's add a text web part to this particular page, and you can see down here that it is all live and dynamic like we see inside of the Office or Word app, the Word application, for example. So we can say, hey there, and it's all live. It's refreshing dynamically on the left-hand side here as well. But what we'll see is I can't click inside here when this person is in there. All right, so we can see there that there's it notifies me that this person is editing, so I can't jump in there either. Okay, and then what we might do here, we'll continue to edit, and you can see that that's been blocked out there as well. All right, now I can delete this over on the right hand side, and that also shows that that has been deleted on the left hand side user as well. Now, what about when somebody tries to publish the page when we've got multiple people in the page editing? Well, on the right-hand side, I'm going to click the publish button. You can see that we get a little bit of a warning here. Someone else is currently making a change on the page. If you publish now, these partial changes may make the page appear unfinished. So let's go ahead and publish this page. And you can see on the left-hand side, we get a notification saying you were taken out of edit mode to publish the page. Feel free to start editing the next version. So just be aware that people can publish the page, and there is a notification if that page is published by a user as well. So let's make a few more edits. So left hand side, I'm going to hit the edit button and we're going to be popped into edit mode. Now you'll notice it doesn't automatically put the other users' pages into edit mode, only this particular user. But on the right hand side, if I pop that into edit mode, we will see, and you can see that the user interface changes. So let's maybe add a new section. So let's add a vertical section and see what happens. Actually, let's just add a one column section. So you can see again, dynamic. I can add text, web parts, left hand side. Maybe what we'll do is let's add a template from there, and you can see there that we've got, I'll just expand this out, you can see that we've got our page being built dynamically, and we can see where that particular user is in the page as well. So some really good enhancements there too for the co-creation process of not just documents now, but SharePoint pages. A few little things to watch out for, especially when publishing pages, but if you couple this with potentially approval processes and publishing processes, then it can really enhance that co-collaboration or that co-creation experience on the content of your pages. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.